In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from Foxit Reader. Whether you're trying to efficiently extract information from a PDF for a project or just need to capture some essential notes, this guide will walk you through the steps to do it effortlessly. To begin, you'll need to ensure that the hand tool is active within your Foxit Reader application. This is a crucial first step because it allows you to manipulate the text and navigate your document effectively. If, for some reason, the hand tool isn't already active, don't worry. Go to the top of your screen and click on the Home tab. Once you're there, you'll find the Select option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options, simply choose Hand. This tool is designed specifically to help you select text so that you can proceed with copying it efficiently. Next, let's go ahead and select the text you want to copy. With the hand tool now activated, navigate to the part of your document containing the text you're interested in. Click and hold your cursor over the starting point of your desired text. Then, drag your cursor across the text. You'll see the text getting highlighted as your mouse moves across it. This indicates that the text is now selected. Take your time with this part to ensure that you capture all the text you need. If you accidentally select too much or too little, simply release the mouse and start the selection process again. Once you've successfully highlighted the text you'd like to copy, it's time to transfer it from the PDF to your clipboard. All you need to do is right-click on the highlighted section of your text. A context menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From this menu, select Copy. Clicking this option will copy the selected text to your clipboard, making it available for you to paste it wherever you need it. This might be into a word processor document, an email, or any other text-based application you're working with. And there you have it. That's how you copy text from Foxit Reader. Remember, these steps are designed to make your experience smoother and your workflow more efficient, especially when you need to extract information from PDFs regularly. Having the ability to select and copy text quickly can be a real time saver, making tasks less daunting and more manageable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you feel more confident now about using Foxit Reader to copy text. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for more helpful tech tips in our next video. Take care, and happy learning!